Hi, welcome to the Danville Public Library. I'm Nancy, and today I'm going to show you this week's craft, which is a little seascape with the Santa Maria, the Nina, and the Pinta. So you'll want to make sure that you pick up your packet either from curbside, Monday, Wednesday, or Friday, 9 to 1, or Tuesday or Thursday, 2 to 6, or you can come in the library and get one. So in your packet, you will of course have your instructions, your reading log. Make sure you're filling that out so you can get reading prizes. And then some fun information about Christopher Columbus, including a fun little tic-tac-toe that you can play with someone else. For the craft, you'll have a sheet of paper that has 3 ships on it, a blue piece of paper, and a white piece of paper. In addition, you will also need some glue or some tape, scissors, crayons or markers, something to color your ships with. So I already went ahead and colored this ship red and cut it out. You'll need to cut all 3 of them. So make sure that you cut out your Nina, your Santa Maria, and your Pinta. I sometimes color first before I cut. That way I can make sure I don't make any mistakes. Or you can cut first and then color, whatever you like. So make sure that you can color the whole boat, you can color just the sails, you can make it any color you want. I just chose some red and blue, but any kind of color that you like. So you'll just kind of color it like that, and then you'll cut it out. Yep, and you'll just make sure that you cut all 3 of the ships out, just like this one here. The next thing that you're going to do is, this is kind of like your background, your white piece, so that's what you'll start with. And then this is your paper. Now to make it look more wavy, because it's just a straight piece of paper, you're going to take and kind of tear the edges a little bit. And so that way it looks more rough and choppy like the water does. So just kind of tear some pieces off the top to make it look like waves. You can also cut it if you're more of a person who needs some who likes it a little more precise. That's okay too. But I kind of like the look of the choppy paper, just like waves. Then you'll need some glue or some tape, and you're just going to put a little bit on here so that you can make the blue stick to the white paper kind of thing. So I'm just putting a little glue on here like that, and then I'm just going to glue it to my white paper. Just like that. And then you'll figure out where you want your ships. You can make them all straight across in a row. You can make one high and one low. Wherever you want them. Just a little bit of glue on them as well. Of course, you'll have 3 ships on yours, and there you have it, a nice little seascape of the Santa Maria, the Pinta, and the Nina, just like Christopher Columbus. So make sure you come to the Danville Public Library and get your craft kit. Also make sure you're watching YouTube so that you can hear our story for the week. And we are also doing a cool little STEAM project, so check us out. Thanks for watching. Bye.